So we're at Wimbledon, and we're going to Mitcham Junction on the tram, and then from Mitcham Junction we're going to take the Thames link back to Wimbledon. Remember to touch your, otherwise you'll get charged extra. We're at Mitcham Junction now, so we're gonna go get the Thames link. We didn't take the Thames link because we had to change at Sutton. We didn't think that would take too long, so we are just going back on the trams to Wimbledon. But that would take. We're at Wimbledon and we just got off the tram, so yeah, nice.